Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another beautiful fall makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I decided to go ahead and add green to this look, so I hope you guys like it as much as I did. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and please share this video. It would mean so much to me. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my foundation. I am using the foundation from Morphe. This is in the color F2.20. I think that's the color number, but if I'm wrong, I'll correct myself in the bottom bar for you guys. Just going to go ahead and apply this with a Juno sponge. I like how it feels. It's like a very different than the beauty blenders, so I don't know, I really like it. It feels really nice and soft, so yeah. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this all into my skin, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything just to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. Having the fan next to me kind of helps to dry the foundation for some reason, and I kind of like how that feels, so I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead with a Too Faced concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and conceal. Well, actually it's just to brighten under the eyes, forehead, nose, chin. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I did fast forward this because honestly I do take my sweet time applying my foundation, concealer and all that, so I kind of was like, girl, this is a little too slow for my liking. So I did decide to fast forward a little bit just so you guys can see what I'm doing, not to make this video too long because my videos are too long and a lot of you guys do complain about the video being too long. So I was like, you know what, let me just fast forward this part. I've done my foundation, concealer, everything almost in every video, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys this part because I haven't done it in a while. So yeah, so for powder I'm using the bakery, I don't know, it's the bakery something company, I forgot. I will put the name on the bottom bar for you guys. I ran out of my Peach Perfect. Well, I have a little bit of my Peach Perfect setting powder, but I only want to use it for like if I'm going out or something, and I am planning to go out this weekend, so I wanted to just kind of save the last of I have of my powder before I go out and buy another one. So I'm using a different powder this time. I like it too, but it just doesn't do the job that the other one does. It keeps me matte. So yeah, so I'm just doing this really quickly, make sure that all the excess powder, if you guys see that I'm glowing a little bit on my chest and neck, it's because I apply this Lorac glowing thing. I don't know what it was, so I'm kind of testing it out. It's just that my hair kept getting stuck into my chest because it was kind of like wet. So yeah, so I'm here, I'm applying the Staycation from Morphe. I did go a little bit overboard. Like I said, you guys have seen me do this a lot of the times. I like to go overboard and then blend everything out, just, you know, so just when I blend everything out, doesn't like I lose how the intensity of the bronzer. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some blush. This one is from, oh my god, Marc Jacobs. So yeah, like I said, I do like to apply everything very heavy just because, you know, when I blend everything out, it doesn't look that heavy. So from here, I'm going to use a highlighter from GEEK Cosmetics, and I do have a discount code with them. So definitely take advantage of that and use my discount code PrettyGrace for money off. They already sell amazing palettes with a lower price. So using my discount code is just going to help you save a little bit more money. So definitely check them out. So look at how amazing this highlighter is. Like, wow. So you're going to be seeing me use this a lot more. So make sure you guys don't get bored of it because look how amazing the highlighter looks. So I'm just applying it with I think it's a Sigma brush. It's supposed to be for concealer, but when I can't find my actual brush for the highlighter, I use this brush. I like it. So yeah, so I'm just applying this. Like I said, I do like to go overboard because when I go back and blend everything out, I don't like that I lose the intensity of the product. So I like to go overboard a little bit. So yeah, and then I just go back with the brush and kind of just blend everything out just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my crease color first, and it's gonna be this color right here. It's like a light orangey shade, and it's great for the crease. I really like this color. It's actually my go-to color now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my crease. I am taking my time just to make the shadow pop a little bit more. I am doing a little more layers than I would normally do, just because I kind of wanted that color to come out. So I'm just taking my time and blending this in and just making sure that it's as pigmented as I want it. Alright, so after I blend that in, I'm gonna go ahead with this brown color right here, and I'm just going to apply this right onto the crease as well. So mixing that color, I decided to go with these two colors right here just to deepen it up a little bit more, and I made it like a burnt orangey brownish color. So I kind of wanted to keep that kind of the intensity of the color, the darkness on the outer corner. So that's what I did, and then whatever I had left, I brought it in to the inner corner. So I just kind of brought it out a little bit more as well. Then I'm just going back with a brush and just kind of blend everything out just to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. I really didn't blend the brow bone because I'm going here and I'm going to apply a highlighter color. This is a highlighter from Maybelline. I'll link it down below. And I'm just going to apply this right onto my brow bone, then going back and blend everything out again and reapply the colors. You guys already know the drill. Apply, blend, dry, apply, and blend. Then I'm going with this green shadow right here, and I decided to apply this right in the outer corner. I don't know, for some reason this eyeshadow made me reminded me of Pumpkin Patch, because we recently went to Pumpkin Patch, and I'll post some pictures so you guys can see. We went to Pumpkin Patch and it just reminded me of that. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go apply that color right there. I know it's a weird color to mix with this orange, but I decided to do that. Then I went with the shimmery green. I applied this right into the inner corner, all the way to the midway. As you guys can see, I am going to spray a little bit of setting spray onto the brush because I felt like it needed a little bit. So it's just going to help the shadow pop a little bit more, and then it's going to help with the fallout as well. Alright, so I'm just going back and retouching all the colors again, just because I felt like I was losing the intensity of those orangey colors that I had on my crease. I especially wanted them in the outer corner to pop a little bit more, so that's why I went ahead and applied that. Then I'm going with the same shimmery color, applying this with a pencil brush, and I'm applying this right into the inner corner just to give it a little pop of color. Even though it was already green, I don't know, I feel like with the tear duct, when you apply a color, it just looks little bit more different. Then I'm just applying the Bold Makeup Cosmetics lashes into you. I do have a code with them, prettygrace for money off. I'm always posting their lashes on my Snapchat, so definitely check me out on Snapchat so you guys can just see all the stuff that I did. Anyways, I'm going to apply a little bit of glitter because I felt like I needed this. So I'm using the Urban Decay glitters. I will link the name of this product in the bottom bar for you guys, but it's a green one. Then I'm going with these two colors again, and I'm applying this right into the bottom lash line, and I'm kind of just packing that. Then I'm going with that green and doing the same thing. Then I'm just going to do a little bit of eyeliner. This is the Araceli eyeliner. I really like this one. It's like a lot easier to work with. So I definitely forgot to apply my eyeliner before eyelashes, so I had to do it after. So the struggle anyways, but I still did it anyways. I didn't want to not do it and have one eye with eyeliner and the other one with eyeliner. Yeah, so anyways, that's what I did. Then I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I'm using this one. I think this is Lancome mascara. I don't even know, but yeah, so I'm just applying this onto my lashes. Then for lips, I am using Time Los Angeles Foliage. I do have a discount code with her. She just recently changed my discount code to prettygrace, so all my discount codes are almost all prettygrace except Bellamy won't switch my discount code because I think somebody used it at a discount web page or something, and that's against their rules or something, and I don't even know, that wasn't even me, so they're not allowing me to change my code to prettygrace anymore. So yeah, but anyways, I do have a bunch of discount codes. If you guys are interested, they're all on the down bar for you guys to use. It helps my channel out. It helps to support my taco addiction. So yeah, anyways, I'm taking a little too long applying this, but I really like how it looks. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment like, and subscribe. Share this video if you guys liked it. I love you guys so much. I really hope you guys are enjoying these fall looks. Let me know what other colors you guys would like me to use. I love you guys. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.